Japanese capacitor manufacturing giant Murata shifts out of China. Japan wants to demolish China's hegemony in the global electronics market. Recently, Tokyo invited semiconductor manufacturers from around the world to set base in Japan. With this, Japan is moving towards absolute control of the global semiconductor supply and is likely to imperil China's consumer electronics industry that is heavily dependent on semiconductor imports. Japan is targeting a new sector, capacitors. Currently, China is the world's largest producer of capacitors. But this is set to change, as a Japanese capacitor manufacturing giant has decided to shift production out of the communist country. Japan's Murata to shift out of China. Murata Manufacturing is looking to cut its dependence on China amidst the ongoing US-China standoff. Murata is the largest capacitor maker in the world. It supplies parts to the iPhone as well. The company supplies smartphones devices like filters for picking up some radio signals, amplifiers for strengthening transmission signals and duplexers for managing incoming and outgoing signals. Murata's operations in China helped the communists become a leader in the capacitor market. But now the Japanese capacitor giant is looking to move to Thailand to open a new plant in the Southeast Asian country in October 2023. Why Murata is moving to Thailand? As per Nikkei Asia, Murata President Norio Nakajima said that the new plant in Thailand will be expanded. Eventually, it will become as big as one in Wuxi, near Shanghai, where Murata produces multi-layer ceramic capacitors for consumer electronics. Murata Manufacturing is adapting to evolving geopolitical equations and changing business conditions. Presently, Murata is dependent on China for over half of its revenue. But the capacitor maker expects China's shares in its revenues to go down, as the company looks towards the Indo-Pacific for future growth.